Hi guys, my name is Rupal from SSN Company. Today I'll talk about conciliation. Conciliation is an alternative out-of-court dispute resolution instrument. Like mediation, conciliation is a voluntary, flexible, confidential and interest-based process. The parties seek to reach an amicable dispute settlement with the assistance of the conciliator, who acts as a neutral third party. The main difference between the conciliation and mediation process is that at some point during the conciliation, the conciliator will be asked by the parties to provide them with a non-binding settlement proposal. A mediator, by contrast, will be in most cases and as a matter of principle refrain from making such a proposal. Conciliation is a voluntary proceeding where the parties involved are free to argue and attempt to resolve their dispute by conciliation. The process is flexible, allowing the parties to define the time, structure and content of conciliation proceedings. These proceedings are rarely public. They are interest based, as the conciliator will when proposing a settlement shall not take into account the parties' legal position but also their commercial, financial and or personal interest. Like in mediation proceedings, the ultimate decision to agree on the settlement remains with the parties. So that was it about conciliation process. If you have any further doubts, you can comment down below. Thank you.